This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Renata and Luis Menendez. Turnkey villa living in premier Heritage Palms Golf and Country Club. Enjoy the privacy of a single-family home with the ease of low-maintenance living in one of Fort Myers' most sought-after golf communities. Located in the prestigious Heritage Palms Golf and Country Club, this Pineview attached villa is offered turnkey. Just bring your personal belongings and start enjoying the Florida lifestyle. This Cheshire floor plan is beautifully maintained and features 2 bedrooms plus a den/bonus area, 2 bathrooms, and a 2-car garage. The newly remodeled custom kitchen is ideal for those who love to cook, showcasing soft closewood cabinetry, upgraded stainless steel appliances, granite countertops, and a stylish backsplash. Tile and vinyl flooring run throughout the home, offering both durability and easy maintenance. The guest bathroom has been completely remodeled, while the primary suite includes dual sinks, a separate soaking tub, and a walk-in shower. Relax and entertain outdoors with a spacious screened front porch and an oversized screened rear lanai, perfect for enjoying Southwest Florida's beautiful weather. A roll-down security shutter on the lanai adds peace of mind. Major updates include a new tile roof, 2020, new AC, 2020, and fresh exterior paint, November 2024. Heritage Palms is known for its resort-style amenities, including 2 18-hole championship golf courses, 8 tennis courts, 9 pools, 2 spas, 3 restaurants, a state-of-the-art fitness center, pickleball and bocce courts, a fishing pier, basketball, and a playground. Adding to the excitement, the new Tiki Bar and Oasis restaurant are scheduled to open in the quarter of 2026. This active, affordable community offers something for everyone and is ideally located near shopping, dining, RSW International Airport, hospitals, and world-class beaches. Move-in ready and perfectly suited as a full-time residence or seasonal retreat, this home delivers luxury, comfort, and an unbeatable lifestyle. Schedule your private showing today. For more information, review the details below or contact Renata and Luis Menendez at 239-410-7372.